everyone, today we will talk about one of the most important things in our trading life, which is risk management. With true risk management rules, we will never lose money more than we can afford and have a sustainable trading life. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and follow our other social media accounts in order to get the news instantly. Because you don't want to miss anything in this fast growing crypto ecosystem. You can find all the useful links just below our video. Then let's get started. The most common mistake which traders do is over leveraging their positions and trading with only thinking about their gains. But as you know, and most of you already experienced that, losses are in this game too. So before entering a position, we need to think about our gains and losses together. In this part of our video, I want to teach you the risk-reward ratio, also known as RR ratio. Risk-reward ratio shows our potential profits ratio to our risk. Let's give an example here. Think that you have entered a long position from a support line and you entered your stop loss order 2% below this support line. This means you are risking 2% of your initial position and you want to exit this position at the resistance zone, which is 4% higher than your entrance. With 4% profit and 2% loss possibility, your RR ratio will be 2. In conclusion, if you think that your initial position is a cake, you are risking one slice of this cake in order to earn 2 slices. Our RR ratio must be minimum 1. We shouldn't get in positions with higher risks compared to our potential rewards. But it's mostly advised that you must enter positions which has minimum 2 RR ratio. This way, your trading life will be more sustainable. With the risk-reward ratio, we learned the core of our risk management. Now it's time to dive deeper into the risk management and learn how to protect our general portfolio. Sometimes we see good trends or formations which have huge potential rewards, but the stop point is too far away. In this case, some traders are saying, who cares? And gets all into that position. If you're wrong and the price goes the other way of your position, your potential losses could be huge. In this scenario, we should risk maximum 2% of our portfolio. Let's give an example and understand it better. Think that we have a total portfolio worth $1,000 and we saw a formation which has potentially 30% profit but 10% loss potential. RR of this position is 3 as you can see, but we should not enter this position with our whole portfolio. We will risk 2% of our portfolio maximum. This means we are risking $20 for a potential $60 profit. Let's do the math. I want to show you what I really mean. If the price hits our stop loss, our loss will be 1R, which is $20 as we mentioned earlier. And if the price hits our take profit target, our profit will be 3R, which is $60. And now, probably you have this question. How did I calculate this R? R means our risk, right? And we talked about how we can measure our risk earlier. We are risking maximum 2% of our whole portfolio. This means if we have $1,000 worth of total portfolio, we have to find its 2%. And $20 is the 2% of $1,000. Now, our 1R equals to 20%. So our 3R equals to 60%, which is our profit target. And also, probably you are asking right now, with how much money should I enter this position? Let's calculate it right now. Our stops percentage was 10%, right? We find this from the graphic. But we told our maximum risk should be 2% earlier. And right now, we should find with which number if we multiply 2, we'll get 10. This is 5, right? If we multiply 2 with 5, we will get 10%. So we should divide our whole portfolio with this number we find out right now. If we divide $1,000 with 5, we will get 200. So we will enter this position with only $200. We don't have to do the math every time. We can use the TradingView tools to calculate our position size. If you don't know how to use TradingView, you can check out the link below and learn all about TradingView. I will teach you the tools about this topic right now. At the left side of our screen, 7 toolbar has the tools which we are gonna use. The toolbar's name is Prediction and Measurement Tools. Click on the pointer and now you can see the long position and the short position tools. I will give you an example on long position. Let's say you want to enter a long position from a support line which has worked well in the past. Let's give an example from this area. We know that this place was a support area. And as you can see, 4 days later, we are looking at our daily candles. The price hit the support area again. We entered the position from the bottom of our support line and we are targeting this resistance line. This is our entrance point and we are targeting this line. And you put your stop loss 2% below our support zone. As you can see, we are targeting 9.60% potential profit and we are only risking 2% of our main portfolio. The risk reward ratio is 4.42. As you can see, those tools are showing you the risk reward ratio which your position has. Now, we will click on this tool and this toolbox will be opened. Just click on the settings icon and when you click on the settings icon, you can see every detail here. Account size means your maximum portfolio. Your maximum portfolio could be anything like $1,000, $10,000, $1 million, whichever it is. Just write it here. I will give you an example and I'll write here $1,000 and it's time for our risk. How much we are gonna risk our portfolio? I wrote here 2%. You can make it 1% if your total portfolio is huge and your potential losses will hurt you psychologically. The entry price, profit level, target price, stop price is automatically written here. So you don't have to write them again. Now, after we wrote all of this, we just click the OK button at the bottom right of the settings. Now, as you can see, the trading view gives a number at the quantity section. We can see our position size must be 0.02 Bitcoin. This equals to something like $910. And also you can see the amount section at the stop point and the target point. If our position hits the target, our main portfolio will be $1,088. If the price hits our stop loss, our portfolio will be $980. Let's give another example. We saw the low risk position right here. Now there was a formation right here, which is reverse head and shoulders. Let me show you clearly. The left shoulder is here, the head point is here, and the right shoulder is here. So you saw this position. There is no real breakout, but let's say you took the risk and entered this position early than you should have. And let's say your entry point is right here. Let's put our long position tool here. Your stop loss should be bottom point of the right shoulder, which has a 7.2% risk. And now let's calculate our target, our profit. The reverse head and shoulder formation's target is the length of the head. So we measure here, and to see our target, we put this measurement on top of the head and shoulders formation. Now we can see that our target was right here, which is $56,000. And this makes our potential profit 25%. In this position, quantity should be 0.006 Bitcoin. And your risk reward ratio is 3.53. If this position hits our target, our main portfolio will be $1,070. This means $70 profit. If the position hits our stop loss, our portfolio will be $980. Be careful right here, guys. Every time we get stop loss, we only lose $20. As you can see, the prior example had the same amount at stop loss. Only our profit has changed. This is because risk reward ratio has changed. And let's come to our last example. Let's say you are trading in the low time frame graphics. We know that in the low time frame, this place is a support zone and this place is a resistance zone. So there is a range right here. The price hit the support zone again. We are targeting our resistance point and we will put our stop loss just beneath the support zone, which is 0.1%. As you can see, our quantity became 0.5 Bitcoin. This means now with so little risk, you can use leverage in this position. 0.5 Bitcoin in this price equals to something like $19,000. So you can use 19x leverage. But be careful, don't use leverage without finishing our videos. If you do, you are taking a really big risk and you are risking your whole money. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed everything. See you in the next video.